Hey everyone, this is question 9, and it's asking us to factor this expression. So when we're factoring, we need to find the greatest common factor. We need to find the GCF. So let's find the GCF of 18 and 12. So 18 and 12. So let's look at 18. We know 1 times 18. We know 2 times 9. We know 3 times 6. 4 doesn't work, 5 doesn't work, and 6 is already here, so we're done. Let's look at 12. We know 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4, and 4 is the next number, and it's already here, so we're done. So now let's look and compare. Which one is the greatest that they have in common? What do they have in common? They have a 1 in common, right? They both have 1s. They both have 2s in common. They both have 3s in common. They both have 6s in common. And that's it. There's no 4 in this group. There's no 9 in that group. There's no 18 and there's no 12. So our options are 1, 2, 3, and 6. And our biggest one is 6. So once we find the greatest common factor, we're going to take that out, right? And write 6 parentheses. Right? It's the same pattern every time. Once you find the greatest common factor, you write that factor and the parentheses. So in this case, it's 6 parentheses. Then we have to ask ourselves, 6 times what gets me to 18? Well, that's 3. 6 times 3 is 18. And then the same thing as usual, we copy the operation. So in this case, it's minus. Then we have to say 6 times what gets me to 12? Well, that's 6 times 2, right? 6 times 2 is 12. And we close parentheses because there's no other numbers here, right? So our answer is 6 times 3 minus 2.